Hello guys, welcome back to the another video. So this is the second video of the entire data science playlist. So today we will deep diving into the some useful techniques which is used by the data scientist and data analyst to understand the data. So in this video we will cover the bar graph and contingency table, construct histogram with overlays, and perform binning based predictive values. So without any further delay, move forward to the topic. Okay, so the construct bar graph with overlays. So firstly, what is bar graph? So bar graph is a common graph which is used to show the uh, relationship between the two variables. Okay, so it is mostly used for the showing the relationship. Okay, what is the meaning of overlays? Overlays meaning is this: we have plot the two bar graph simultaneously to showing the relationship. So in a bar graph, just use and there is a rectangular bars to showing the frequency or a value of a particular data set. Okay, so in this code, we will plot simply the two graph, which is bar 1 and bar 2. Okay, and we compare the data side by side. So run the code. So you can see there is a two graph, two bar. So count one. This is the categorical values A, B, and C, D, and um, this is the reading. This is the reading time of A. This is the reading time of in first time, and this is the reading time for second time. Okay, and this is the relationship between the times. It means the A first time read 10 minutes, then second time increase its readability. Okay, so this is the B data. So you can see the data very clearly. Okay, so move forward to the contingency table. So what is contingency table? So basically contingency table is a tool which is used to show the relationship between the two variables. Okay, so firstly I'll run the code. Okay, so this is why using the contingency table we can show the relationship between the two variables. Okay, this is a gender and choice, and gender contain male female, and choice is yes no. So we simply find how many females say yes and how many males say no. Okay, so by using this graph contingency table we show the relationship simply. Okay, so move forward to the next topic, which is histogram. So histogram is also the type of bar graph, and it shows the frequency. Yeah, histogram is mostly used for the showing frequency. uh, Firstly I'll run the code. Yeah, so this is a an overlays means simply the two graphs simultaneously. Okay, so this is the frequency of data set 1 and data set 2, and this is the relationship uh, in those frequency. Okay, and what is the binning based predictive value? So binning based predictive, yeah, age, income, age group. So binning based predicting value, by using this values we can categorize our data. Okay, this is also the one way to showing the categorical data. So we simply divide the age group. In this we simply divide the age group. So what is the benefit of dividing the age group in the label field? So if we need to find how many how many peoples are residing in the age group 20 to 30. So by using this technique we simply find that. Okay, so I hope you are clear with this all the topic. So thank you.